Cantamar, Los Arenales, Memorial Weekend 2021, guys. Look at this shit, man. You guys gonna drop a like right now. I don't even know if you guys like bikes. Look at this. You got cars, bikes, everything on here. Everyone having a good time. It's impeccable, man. It's impeccable.
Damn! This guy's got some speed. I ain't even gonna lie, my people. Yo guys, it's Motorsports bringing you guys another video. We are at Cantamar, Los Arenales. It is Saturday, Memorial Day weekend. It's lit. These guys right here, those guys right there make me want to go home and put about 10,000. Make me want to go home and put about 10,000 into my battery real quick so I could at least keep up. I'm not even saying winning them, at least keep up, because goddamn, they're fast. Check them out real quick. I don't know, there's some grudge races or just, you know, some friendly races, but these guys been at it. Much respect to all of them.
Guys, that's a wrap. Cantamar, Los Arenales, Memorial Day weekend 2021. Hope you liked the video and consider subscribing. Gonna be dropping a lot of raw footage, and drop a comment if you want a part 2. Peace, guys.